Hi, this is James. In this video, we are going to learn how to share your games with other people. Open the Godot application and click on the Asset Library tab. This will open up the asset library where you can shop for various assets. We are looking for GitHub integration. Use the search keyword GitHub and find GitHub integration. Click on GitHub integration and click on download. Select install and then select OK. Now this installs GitHub integration with Godot. Once the GitHub integration is downloaded, you might have to enable the GitHub integration plugin via project settings. To do so, navigate to project settings, plugins, and enable the GitHub integration plugin. Once you do so, close, and now you have the GitHub integration plugin enabled in Godot. To use the GitHub integration, select the GitHub tab on top of your screen. Once you are in the screen, type in your username and your GitHub personal token. To create a GitHub token, navigate to the GitHub homepage. Now navigate to settings. In settings, scroll all the way down to find developer settings. In developer settings, select personal access tokens. Now you can create a new token using generate new token button. Click on that and add a note, which would be the name of your token. I'm going to add a token called Godot game. I'm going to select no expiration for this particular token, but you can choose that based on your preference. Select all the other properties that you want the token to have. I'm going to go ahead and select all of it. Now click on generate token. Now this will generate a token that you can copy, and this copy token can be used in your GitHub integration in Godot. Please make sure to copy this GitHub token, as you will not be able to copy it at a later time. Navigate back to Godot and paste your GitHub token. Now click on sign in. This will open up a view of all the repositories you have in GitHub. Click on the new repository button to create a new repository. Add a repository name. Add a is_test as the repository name. Fill in the repository description. I'm going to make this repository public so that other people can access this repository. Select initialize with README. You can leave the gitignore selection as is. We will not be using gitignore for this application. I'm going to select the MIT license, but there are a lot of licenses from which you can choose. Click on OK, and this will create a is_test repository in my GitHub account. Now let's navigate to github.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of our repository list, and it will show up is_test. Click the link to open up the repository. You can see that there are 3 files in here. Let's first open the gitignore file and delete this file. We will not be using gitignore with Godot at the moment. This is an advanced feature which you can use once you are more comfortable using GitHub. Let's now navigate back into Godot. Double click on the is_test repository and use the commit to repository button. This will allow us to add our changes and files to the repository. You can add a commit message. I'm going to add initial commit as my commit message. Click on select directory and use the select current folder button to select all the folders in our game. Click on commit and push. Once that process is over, let's navigate back onto GitHub and refresh the page. Now you can see that all the project files are uploaded onto this GitHub repository. You can now share this project with other people. To do so, click on the down arrow next to code button. Copy and share the link that is available to you now. I hope this video was helpful in learning how to share your project with others. See you in another video.